Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and an educator for APQS. I've got a great little border design for you. It's called Star March. I've got a 2-inch border and I've chalked out 2-inch chunks of that border to give me some divider lines. The first thing I'm going to do is come in here and do a short little stem. At the top of my stem I'm going to go up, then I'm going to go to about the 1 o'clock, the 3 o'clock, the 5 o'clock and across to 11, 9, 7 and out, and I'm going to do a tall one. Tall all the way up there at 1, and then 3, 5, across to 11, 9, 7, down, and now a little one, up, and I'm just going to build this out, my little firework stars, using those lines I chalked to keep things nice and tall and straight and even. And for a little pizzazz, if I go back and fill in just the underneath side, adds a little something something I kind of like. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local APQS dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to see what you're working on.